huge!
Oh no.
Wait! It's getting bigger!
I can't stop it.
Do you know how to stop a giant sneeze? Good morning, jungle! Today feels magical already!
The flowers are glowing brighter than ever.
Look at this golden pollen floating everywhere!
It sparkles like tiny stars.
Did you feel that shake?
The wind just changed direction.
Whoa! That was huge!
Oh, that sounded like someone needs help.
It came from that clearing!
Let's hurry!
Ellie! Are you okay?
Your trunk keeps twitching.
I can't stop sneezing.
Something in the air is bothering you.
The pollen is landing on your trunk.
It tickles so much.
Here it comes again!
Hold your breath.
Brace yourself!
It's even stronger.
It's okay, Ellie.
We'll figure this out.
I feel so embarrassed.
The pollen keeps landing on you.
That's what's causing the sneezes.
I can't escape it.
Wait! Mint leaves!
Mint is cool and calming.
Please try it.
These will help you breathe better.
Oh, we'll wrap them gently.
I trust you.
Stay very still.
Almost done.
It feels cool already.
Take a slow breath.
Nice and easy.
You didn't sneeze.
I can breathe.
It worked.
We did it!
Teamwork always wins.
I feel wonderful again.
Wait, why is that flower glowing?
The pollen is spinning again.
Oh no, not again.
This one feels bigger.
Everyone get ready.
The water is glowing now.
Look at those golden bubbles.
I didn't mean to make it worse.
The bubbles aren't spreading pollen.
The water is calming it.
Water helps?
Let's splash the flowers gently.
We'll work together.
I'll spray mist carefully.
The pollen is settling down.
It's not swirling anymore.
No sneeze.
Sometimes the first solution isn't enough.
But teamwork solves bigger problems.
I'm lucky to have friends like you.
Another jungle adventure complete.
And another lesson learned.
When we work together, everything gets better.